think there was this one Telugu film I was doing, and that entire crew every day would remind me of my height. Every day would remind me of my height.
I was very skinny compared to whatever they expected me to, or a South actress needed to be at that point in time. So they wanted voluptuous women.
Of course.
So they used to stuff me. I used to wear a lot of padding.
Quite tall. I'm 5'2", and my actor was 5'11" or almost 6 feet tall.
To see if it's working out or no. I give plenty of time
Yeah.
to see. But when I see that this is not what is meant for me, it's not meant for me. I was very skinny compared to whatever they expected me to, or a South actress needed to be at that point in time. So they wanted voluptuous women.
Of course.
So they used to stuff me. I used to wear a lot of padding, and I used to feel very, very bad because I used to, you know,
Of
you
course, I
feel
can- it's
bad about yourself.
uncomfortable,
It's
yeah.
uncomfortable. You're not accepting the person the way they are.
Yeah.
And they used to put paddings everywhere. I had thigh pads, and you know, just everywhere. It used to be. I used to feel disrespected.
I can
It
imagine.
used to be like that. But I'm glad that's not the case anymore, and people have moved on from that, and everyone has, you know, things are different right now, which is very good.
Yeah, I mean, it's evolving. I wouldn't say it's evolved completely, but it's definitely evolving. Because I remember Vidya Balan had said that when she did quite a few films in the South, even she had to go through a lot of comments wherein, in fact, she was called the bad luck charm because few films did not do well and so on and so forth. Did you feel a pressure to deliver when you were a part of those projects? Because, you know, one, you were new.
Yeah.
Second, when you work, I mean, the expectation for yourself also, you have some expectations, right? Did you ever feel that pressure?
Pressure is always there, and when you're new, it's even more.
Yeah.
So because you have so many people around, and you have quite experienced actors around, and then you see, oh, they are doing well. I also need to, you know, at least, if not do better, support them in what they are doing, so that they can give their reactions. So there was pressure, and moreover, because 99.9% of the entire crew mostly consists of men. The only women out there was my mom.
Maybe.
No one. My mom and me. And the other female actresses or whoever artists were there. It was just my mom and me. Rest everyone were men.
Yeah, and also the fact that you don't understand the language, it can make you feel a little uncomfortable, right? Because you're like,
because you're sitting in one corner and you don't know who to communicate with, because everyone's talking their own language and you don't know what they're saying. So you feel a little left out also.